Secured credit cards versus unsecured credit cards. So, both secured and unsecured credit cards are tools to build or improve credit, but they cater to different audience. Now, what's the difference? So, here I mentioned this is a small chart. You can read this or you can pause this video. This is a feature section. This is a secured credit card, and this is unsecured credit card, right? Secure credit card usually typically equals to credit limit. There's a 200 deposit and a 200 credit limit. There's a no deposit required, right? And as you can see here, you can read this up. The next thing is that what's the pros and cons? So secured credit card has easier approval, right? And it has a credit building tool, low risk or issuer, no annual fee most of the time. The cons are the cons are really, but let's talk about the pros of unsecured credit card. So higher credit limit, rich reward program, no security deposit, better for established credit user. The cons of secure credit card is limited rewards, low credit limit, deposit requirement, and all this stuff. Right now, who should choose this credit card? Those are first timers, especially the newbies, right? Individual rebuilding credit card, those got those who failed some of the credit cards in past, they can just rebuild their credit score. And budget conscious users, right? This is really really important. Now the next thing is that who should choose an unsecured credit card? Established credit users, frequent travelers, big spenders, financially stable individuals, right? So here I have mentioned some of the topics. So let's just go and see here. So best secure credit cards are Discover, and it's really secure because there is no annual fee. You can earn 2% cash back. The second one is a Capital One secured Mastercard. It has a low security deposit. And as you can see here, depending on credit worthiness, no annual fees, access to high credit limit after responsible use. Now, best unsecured credit cards are Chase Freedom Unlimited and Ultimate. And this is a 1.5 cashback on all purchase, no annual fee, great for everyday spending. American Express Gold Card is really good. Now, what's my conclusion? So you can choose a secure credit card if you're new to credit, rebuilding your credit, or unable to qualify for unsecured card, right? You should obviously go for the secured card, when most of the time if you don't get it, then you can just come back to the secured card. You have a good or excellent credit and wants to maximum rewards, perks, and flexibility. These cards are ideal for experienced users who can manage their spending responsibly. So here this is a secured credit cards. These are 4:5, excellent for beginners and credit builders, but limited rewards. Unsecured is equal to 4.5 out of 5. That is because there's a zero point 0.5 for versatility and rewarding, but harder to qualify for. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video.